Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. I am Saadia Kazmi, lecturer in Zoology at Government Degree Girls College Block 19 Al Noor FB area. Today we will study the topic Characteristics and Classification of Phylum Mollusca from Chapter 10 Kingdom Animalia from our first year Zoology syllabus. So, first we will discuss about the general characteristics of Phylum Mollusca. As we all know very well that Phylum Mollusca includes soft-bodied animals. So, their body is soft without segmentation. They are mostly aquatic and few are terrestrial. And there are about 50,000 species which are living and 35,000 of species are of fossil. It is the second largest phylum after arthropods. They are mostly aquatic and few of them are terrestrial. Mollusks are triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical, and they are of different sizes. They are maybe in a smallest size, not bigger than the sand grain, while they have a giant squid as well, which is the largest invertebrate known, may grow to 18 meters long. Their body is divided into head, muscular foot, and visceral mass, and their whole visceral mass is covered by the fold of delicate tissue which is called as mantle. And mantle is also responsible to secrete shell around their body. There are some of the mollusks which have external shell, and some of them have internal shell, and there are some of the mollusks which do not have any shell. So it means that their whole visceral mass is covered by mantle and shell. Their head-foot portion primarily concerned with feeding, sensation, and locomotion. Keep in your mind that visceral mass means the major organs, means all of the organs which is found in our body system is collectively called as visceral mass. In mollusks, sexes are separate. They all pass through trochophore larval stage, and their larva is called as trochophore larva. Now we will discuss about the classification of Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca, as we all know very well, that it has 6 classes, but out of 6, only 3 classes are living and the 3 classes are extinct. So, and in a fossil condition. So, the living classes are, first class is class Gastropoda, means their name indicate foot on their visceral mass. Poda means foot. Second class is class Cephalopoda, means foot on their head. Cephalo means head, Poda means foot. And their third class is class Bivalvia, means they have the 2 shells, means their body is covered by 2 shells. Bivalvia. Let us discuss about first class of phylum Mollusca. Class Gastropoda means foot on their visceral mass. Their characteristics are they possess spiral shell, and you can easily observe in the diagram of garden snail that they have spiral shell over their body. The foot is large and flat. Head is well developed with tentacles and eyes. These are either aquatic or terrestrial, means they have some of the animals of gastropods which are aquatic in nature, and there are some of the animals of gastropods which are terrestrial in nature. Example is snail, slugs and whelks. Let us discuss about class Cephalopoda. Class Cephalopoda, as their name indicate, that they have foot on their head. They are adapted for swimming. Their foot is modified into 8 to 10 long tentacles in the head region, and their tentacles have suckers which help them to grip on the ground or substratum in marine environment. The shell is either external, internal or absent. They are mostly marine. Example is octopus, nautilus, sepia and loligo. Octopus do not have any shell, while nautilus have external shell and sepia and loligo have internal shell. Now the third class, but it is the second largest class of phylum Mollusca. As the name indicate that it has shell with two halves. They burrow in mud and sand. Their symmetry is bilateral and the body is laterally compressed. They have no distinct head. These are mostly marine animals. Example, mussel, unio and mytilus. And pearl oyster is also included in class Bivalvia, as we all know very well that they have the ability to produce pure pearl of different sizes, shapes and colors. So, we have discussed phylum Mollusca today. You can also take reference from your books. Best of luck for your future students. Thank you very much.